Hello friends and hello fellow vintage lovers. This is another haul from that estate sale slash storage container sale. Oh my gosh. So I haven't had time to research everything here yet, but I wanted to go ahead and do another video because I have a sale tomorrow and I just want to be able to show you guys everything that I picked up. So if you watched the first couple of videos, then you know there were a lot of antiques and vintage, just amazing pieces. And I didn't get to the sale until the second day. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad when I think about it. I don't know what I missed out on, but I can't imagine. So let me go ahead and show you guys everything in this haul. I believe everything here is for sale. There's one item that I got on eBay that I wanted to show you guys. She may end up in a short too, but I just unboxed her and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to show her. So she's not for sale. She's going to go in my antique jewelry collection. Okay, so again, I'm just digging through boxes in Texas heat. Yes, it's still hot here in September. It is. And these are what I found. More of what I found, I should say. I think this, I'll probably clear everything off of here and then put more items up because I know I don't want this to go on for like 10 videos. So without any further ado, let me show you guys everything else I got. I'm going to start right here this time. This is a really, really old daisy and button little creamer or little pitcher. Now, it glowed for me the other day. If you've been coming to my live sales, you know I got this super strong, well, no, you can see the glow in there. So this has cadmium in it. I think it's probably Ellie Smith. Like if you look up there, can you see it, that glow? Yay, it's actually working with my phone, but not with my regular eyesight, which is weird. But I had to get this. It's beautiful. There's no damage on it. I love amber glass, and I know a few of you do, so I picked that up. Then I got this. This is early EAPG glass, and it does glow as well. A lot of the older glass will glow. Hopefully you can see that green glowing up there. Yes, I wish there'd been two resellers. You know. They do sell better when you have two, but there was only one. I dig through as many boxes as I could and pulled this one out. Now this is interesting. I guess maybe this person was an antique dealer at one point, but it talks about it being Boston sandwich glass, EAPG. So I did look up Boston sandwich glass, and it does look like that is what this is, and it had a pretty good comp, so we shall see. Clear glass traditionally doesn't sell very well for me with my live sales, but I love it and it's beautiful. Then back here, I am not sure. I thought this was maybe Polish pottery. I still kind of do. If you know what this is, let me know. There is no marking on it. I just thought it was cute. I love this style. I love the blue. It's just like a little creamer pitcher. I thought it would be cute to have a little bud, you know, a little flower in there. Here comes the train, toot toot. Sorry about that. Okay, this tonala. So this is an older Mexican pottery piece, and I think this may be the first one I have found with a green base color. It is marked Mexico, but I don't see the artist's signature on it. This is definitely an older piece. I can tell by the way it looks and feels, but it's this cute little bird. Let me show you the back so you can see all this pretty detail. Fantastic. So if you've seen a green tonala piece, let me know, because I do find it. It's been a while since I found a lot of it, but I do have another piece that I'm going to be showing too, in probably the next video. I picked up two pieces of tonala there. Then this. So my phone was so hot, I couldn't comp it, but I found this Waterford crystal clock in one of the boxes. Now I can't remember what the comps were. I did look it up the other day. But yeah, I mean, you can't really go wrong with Waterford if you can get it for a good deal. I don't think the clocks sell as well as particular patterns, but it's beautiful. It just needs a battery. So I picked that up. Then I got this amazing 1980s Hager piece. This is Art Deco Revival from the 80s. It's black. It goes with everything. If you like the design. Oh, is there something in here? Hang on just a second, guys. What is that noise? Well, guys, there was a treasure in there. This little stick pin. Now, I did pick up some. Ooh, I just poked myself with it. I did pick up some jewelry at this sale. There were some bins of jewelry, but I don't remember this at all. So it must have been in there somehow. It doesn't have a little stopper, but it's cute. I don't know if it's marked. This is an adventure, guys. It looks like it is marked there. I'm gonna have to pull out my loop. I can't see that. Maybe you guys can, but what a treat. Cute little heart stick pin. Then back here, this is gorgeous. So this is Japanese. It is signed there. I looked it up. I want to say that translated to sunshine. I think this is beautiful. It's like a celadon green vase. It does have the intentional crazing on it. It is absolutely beautiful. I love this very much. Let me kind of turn it around here. I do think it's vintage, but I'm gonna have to research it more. It looks like maybe I can translate that as well, find out who makes this. But yeah, it's beautiful, this little mountain scene. I love it. So this is already sold. I had a sale on Wednesday, and I wanted to show it anyway because it's so freaking cool. This is Maddox of California. And these can go for quite a bit. It's like a console dish that would sit on top of a TV back in the 50s. Look at this. It's got the pebbled iridescent coloring to it. It is marked Maddox. It's number 199 here. But this one already sold. So, not trying to tease you guys, but I thought I would show it because it's freaking amazing. Okay, let me get the space back there. Then I picked up this. Look at this cherub putti, whatever you want to call him. Anatomically correct. This does have crazing. This is not intentional. This is from Italy, and I just had to get it. I mean, it's incredible. You know, despite the wear, it's really cool. There's no chips or cracks. Looks like I should clean it maybe one more time, but I loved it. Okay, so again, guys, I'm not trying to tease you. This is not for sale. I just wanted to show her off. Look at her. Look at this Art Nouveau button hook. So she would be used to, I'm trying to zoom in there. Look at her. She would be for buttoning buttons or your corset or whatever. I found her on eBay, and I just had to get her. I thought she was fabulous, and I don't have one of these. So she's going to go on my vanity with other Art Nouveau pieces that I have. I'm trying to remember what I paid for her. I think 20 or 25. I got a good deal. Okay, then on to the jewelry that I picked up at the sale. I got a few pairs of clip-ons. They're not traditionally, well, they're not selling very well for me. They haven't in a while, but I cannot resist things like this. I'm sorry, I just can't. So the first are these really pretty kind of mesh and pearl. These are made in Japan. I think they're just marked Japan there. And then these, I'm not quite sure what these are made of, but they're fantastic. These may be older. These little roses. They're very lightweight. Back here are some flowers. I think these were Sarah Coventry. And all these are, you know, they're in really nice condition. And I couldn't resist these big pearls, mainly because of the condition. I mean, they're just beautiful. And yes, you can make converters for these. So I keep saying that you can buy them on Amazon because I know at one point you could. But I looked recently and I didn't see any. But regardless, you can convert these to pierced if you want to. Look at the enameling on this. So I was really shocked that these don't glow. They're fantastic. Look at them. I love them. Then I got two cameos. This one I think is Jerry's. Oh, I can't remember. Yeah, cherries. And I don't remember if this one had a marking or not. This one has two little cupids or kids. I'm not sure what they are, but this is really cute as well. And I know the Jerry's isn't shell, so I'm thinking this is probably not either. Looks to be kind of around the same time frame. Then I got this box, so let me show you the box. This is from Italy. I'm not going to show you the bottom, I'm just going to show you what was in it. This thermostat set was in here. These are not marked, but they're absolutely beautiful. So there's two clips. It's a set. You've got these beautiful AB crystals. Purple's my favorite color, so I was so happy when I opened this box. Here is the necklace. Is this not beautiful, guys? And it looks brand new. So I think it was purchased and put in this box and didn't leave it for a very, very long time. Then it had these really cute little earrings in here as well. And these are peers, so I'm assuming maybe they decided to get their ears pierced. I don't know. I'm just making up stories here, which I can do for a long time. Then I got this little set of amber. So this is really interesting to me. I think these are amber. I need to do a test, but these are just like gold toned vintage amber pieces. It looks like there's a marking there. Let me see if I can see that. Sorry about that, guys. I cannot see it. So before I offer these for sale, of course, I will research them and let you know. But this set of amber comes with a bracelet and clip-on earrings there. And believe me, these glow. Let me show you the glow here. So real and faux amber does glow, just so you know. Just trying to show you the glow here. You've got amazing glow on this. Really pretty gold tone set. Then here I picked up these lucite clip-ons. I just love this kind of netting. Funky and fun, and yeah, there's a glow on these as well, as there should be, being vintage lucite like that. And then here I got this pair of, they're just glass, but they're really pretty. I think these do not glow. Oh no, there's a bit of a glow actually. So those are really pretty as well. Those are definitely more modern. So, okay guys, I'm gonna move on to the second half of this one video. I will be right back. Stay tuned for more treasure. Hey guys, so here is another load of what I picked up. I got these two amazing trays as well. Hi. And these are lacquer. They are from Japan. They're beautiful. They fit inside. Well, the smaller one fits in the big one, which is amazing. So it's great for stacking. Now these have sold already, just so you know, but they are still absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, so I moved the tray so I could show you this huge chafing dish that I got. So this is silver plate. It's got this amazing wood handle there. I just thought it was cool. I keep saying this, but I've been really drawn to metal lately, be it brass, silver plate. I just love it all. And I love the pattern on this. I haven't looked this one up yet. It is for sale, but just so you know, it's bigger. But I just thought it was really cool, and the condition on it was so nice. So speaking of nice, I got this vintage brass duck dish. Look at the tail there. It has little feet, and it's phenomenal. This is a bigger piece as well. It does need a polish. I am going to polish this one. A lot of times I don't, but I want to clean that up right there. But this duck is amazing. I had to, and she's a little heavy. This is Higby. This is, I think it might be antique. It's this beautiful thistle pattern. I love this dish. I think it's phenomenal. Look at the feet on this. And this one, I don't think it glows. I can't tell. There may be a little bit of green on the sawtooth edging there. Yeah, there might be a little bit. Regardless, I couldn't leave it behind. There was a lot of clear glass at the sale, and like I said earlier, it's not selling too well for me, but when I see something like this, I have to get it. as well as this. I think this might be a powder dish. It's a little crystal dish. It does have a metal top there. It's beautiful. I love this pattern as well. I haven't looked it up, so don't know who makes it. Next to that is this stangle piece. This is beautiful. So it's like this beautiful kind of baby blue color with the gold speckles. So this is a flower frog as well. I guess you could call it a frog. You would put your candle in here, and then you would put flowers around it. It's beautiful. Here's the bottom. And it's not marked, but it is stangle. I love that very much. Then I got this flower frog. This one has 13 holes. It's a bigger one. And I don't know, does it glow? You know, some of the stuff was just so old, but this doesn't. But it's great. It's in excellent condition, no chips or cracks. I picked this up, this cut to clear. I just thought it was really pretty. I love the red. Be great for Christmas. And this one is Lennox from Hungary. It's beautiful. I had to get it. It's more traditional, but that's okay. Then I got this basket. We're going to call it a basket. So this is definitely from the 1800s. I loved this so much when I got it. It is silver plate. Let me try to show you the bottom here. Look at it. It's just amazing. I don't know if it was maybe some sort of bridal basket. Obviously some sort of dish or bowl would go in there. Let me show you the bottom though. So as I mentioned, it was really hot. My phone kept getting too hot for me to do anything, so I couldn't look this up. This is Dairy Silver, and I believe this was out of Boston when I looked it up. I think they went into business in 1858, so this is definitely an older piece. I love the patina. I'm not going to polish this one. If you're interested in it, I will sell it. You know, it's just something I couldn't resist. I had to pick it up. Then the last thing is this beautiful dish. There's something about it. It is from Czechoslovakia. I haven't looked it up. I don't know how old it is. It appears to possibly be antique. You've got these berries there. Just really, really pretty. So this is going to be it for this haul. There will be one more. You know what? I'm going to throw one more thing in here to show you. I got a lot of bigger items, which I hadn't been doing lately. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to show you is this amazing serving dish, casserole dish, whatever you want it to be. There was a lot of really nice studio pottery at the sale. I just thought this was beautiful. I love the colors, and it is signed here on the bottom. I have not looked the artist up, but it's amazing. Excellent condition. It's beautiful. I just love it. Let's see. Show you the other side here. Oh, it's good. It's so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you can come to my Saturday sale. Consider this kind of a live sale preview as well. My Saturday sale is on my channel. It's at 1 Eastern, noon Central, and it's going to be with my girl. Simon Says Let's Make a Deal, Sabrina. I hope you guys can join us. And I will be having my Monday Buy It Now Claim Jewelry Sale. That posts at 7 Eastern, 6 Central. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Hello, new subscribers. There's a few of you. I appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Bye.